Welcome to this tutorial on integrating Bootstrap with Sveltekit. Today we will focus only on the installation part of Bootstrap so you can use it later in your own project. Let's start with setting up the Sveltekit project. Now move into the project directory and install the dependencies. And next, let's install Bootstrap via npm. Now to apply the Bootstrap styles, we need to import the CSS file into our roots. Let's head over to source roots and create a new file called +layout.swed. Let's paste this Bootstrap CSS file and make sure you are using slot so that can be applied across all of your pages. And that's pretty much it. Let's run it to check if everything is working fine. There you go. You have successfully installed Bootstrap.